What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Yachty Girl Flavor, and I'm coming back with the next recipe. This one is definitely gonna have all the flavor to it. So, as you can see right here, I have my salmon. This is about maybe a 2 pound or 2.5 pounds salmon. I have taken off the skin and I have let it sit in some vinegar and lime juice. Can someone guess? Comment down below right now. What am I gonna do with this salmon? And let me know. So, if you don't know, you're gonna have to stay tuned and definitely see what am I gonna do with it. So I'm about to dice up my salmon into bite-sized cubes. So this is how I have diced up my salmon. Are you guys still clueless to what I'm gonna make with these salmon? You still have time to comment below to see what am I going to make. So here I've moved my salmon to a bowl. I'm about to start seasoning it. I have some fish season, some Mrs. Dash, smoked paprika, some ground up pimento, garlic, and ginger. Smoked paprika, powdered ginger, onion powder, garlic powder, and a few other season. I add some lemon pepper to give it that lemon flavor, and we're gonna mix that all together. And I'm gonna add that to my salmon. So I didn't add all of it. I'm gonna leave back that, okay? And then we're gonna work in that season. Then I'm about to add some salt. And if you guessed it, yes, I am going to make some curry salmon. You can definitely leave your salmon old, or you can cut them up in cubes. This is how I have. I'm going to pour all of this in. And then we're going to work that in. Have you guys ever had curry salmon before? Comment down below and let me know. So this is it. I'm going to set it aside till I'm ready. Let's go. Okay, so to my pot, I've added just enough oil to cover the base of the pot. And I'm going to let it heat up, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of curry. This process is called burning. So I'm burning the curry. Okay, most times we do it because they're like, oh, we don't want the curry to run your belly or stuff like that. So I'm just going to do that. My oil is heating up. And then you're just gonna mix that into the oil and let it start its burning process. Just trying to keep stirring it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot and burn. So to my curry, I am gonna add some bell pepper, onions, and scallion or green onion. And you want to watch this curry carefully so it doesn't start to burn. So maybe for 2 minutes or a minute and 30 seconds. So we're just going to saute these veggies real quick. And then I'm going to pour in some coconut milk. I don't have the actual Scotch bonnet pepper, but I'm going to add the Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. I'm not going to add a lot because I don't want it to be too spicy. And this is so colorful. It already smells so good already. We're going in with some minced garlic, not a lot. Ooh. And then this is my coconut milk. It was 1 tin and I took about half the tin. So this is it. That together, and then we're ready for our salmon. Before we add our salmon, I'm going to add the remaining of my seasoning. So I've added in my salmon, as you can see, and I add about a cup or a little bit less than a cup of water. You can add an entire coconut milk can of milk if you like, but I didn't want it, so I did half of that and then add some water, and then we're just gonna let our salmon cook. And then towards the end, we'll taste to see if it needs more flavor, which I don't think it should. But this is what we have so far. And then bear in mind, salmon cook real quickly. So maybe 20-25 minutes. It should be good to go. And then we're going to have this with some rice. You can have it with anything you guys like by itself, with some veggies, potato, whatever works for you. Or even some boiled food with some dumpling and banana and yam. That would be good too. You just want to be careful when you're stirring it so your little salmon cubes don't break apart. And I'm about to turn on my stove on medium low or on low, so it can take its time to simmer and cook. But look at that already. So I just did a little taste test. As you guys can see, it is cooked, but I'm gonna add just a tad bit more salt, and we should be good to go. let's get an up close and personal view, okay, of this coconut curry salmon. This is so quick and easy. You can pretty have this done in less than 30 minutes or less. So yummy, so delicious, and definitely flavorful. Stick around to watch me plate this up, guys, to see my finished plated product. So here we have it, guys, the finished plated product. Look at that. I served it with some quick tossed salad, carrots, tomato, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and lettuce. Look at that, guys. So yummy, so delicious, quick, under 30 minutes, and it's so yummy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and definitely leave me a comment. I did a quick plating video on this, so check out the next video to come after this. I'll put the link in the description to see how I plate this all up. Plating is one of my favorite part of cooking, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video, cooking with flavor.